Here's what nobody tells you about starting your fitness journey. You don't need to lift heavy weights, run for miles, or spend hours in the gym to transform your body. You just need to learn how to hold still. Isometric exercises are the secret weapon that builds strength, burns calories, and sculpts muscle without any movement at all. These 7 beginner-friendly holds will teach your body control, stability, and mental toughness, all while requiring zero equipment, zero experience, and just 10 minutes of your day. Whether you're completely new to fitness or coming back after a long break, these static holds will awaken muscles you forgot you had and build the foundation for everything else you'll do in fitness. Let's master the art of standing still. Exercise 1 wall, sit 30 seconds. The grandfather of isometric exercises, the wall sit looks innocent, but it's a quad and glute destroyer that teaches you what real muscle endurance feels like. Back against the wall, knees at 90 degrees and fight gravity. Why it matters: builds serious leg strength, teaches proper squat mechanics, develops mental resilience when your legs start shaking. Form tip back flat against the wall. Weight in your heels, not your toes. Breathe steady even when it burns. Keep your knees tracking over your toes. Exercise 2 plank hold 30 seconds. This isn't just lying on your forearms. The plank is a full-body wake-up call that teaches your core to stabilize while every other muscle fights to maintain perfect alignment. Why it matters: builds bulletproof core strength, improves posture from head to toe, teaches total body tension and control. Form tip, straight line from head to heels. Squeeze your glutes, engage your core. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Exercise 3. Glute bridge hold 45 seconds. You're not just lying there, you're actively firing your posterior chain. The glute bridge hold targets the muscles that sitting all day shuts off your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Why it matters: activates dormant glute muscles, counteracts sitting posture, builds hip stability and power. Form tip, drive through your heels. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Keep your core engaged, don't arch your back. Exercise 4. Single leg stand 30 seconds each leg. It sounds too simple, but standing on one leg is a masterclass in balance, stability, and proprioception. This exercise teaches your body to find its center and hold it. Why it matters: improves balance and coordination, strengthens stabilizing muscles, builds ankle and hip stability. Form tip, stand tall. Engage your core, focus on a fixed point ahead. Micro movements are normal, just don't give up. Exercise 5. Superman hold 30 seconds lying face down. You're going to lift your chest and legs off the ground simultaneously. The Superman targets your entire posterior chain while teaching spinal extension. Why it matters: strengthens your back muscles, improves spinal mobility, counteracts forward head posture, builds back endurance. Form tip, lift from your core, not your neck. Keep your neck neutral. Squeeze your glutes and back muscles, hold the tension. Exercise 6. Dead. Hang 20 seconds, grab a pull-up bar or sturdy overhead surface and just hang. This simple hold builds incredible grip strength, shoulder stability, and decompresses your spine. Why it matters: builds grip strength that transfers to everything, improves shoulder health and mobility, decompresses the spine after sitting. Form tip, active. Hang, engage your lats, pull shoulders down and back. Breathe normally even though your forearms are screaming. Exercise 7. Seated calf raise. Hold 45 seconds sitting down, lift your heels off the ground and hold. This targets your calf muscles while teaching isometric endurance in a muscle group. Most people ignore why it matters: builds calf strength and endurance, improves ankle stability, supports better walking and running. Mechanics. Form tip, push through the balls of your feet, lift as high as possible, hold the peak contraction, keep your core engaged. Here's the truth about isometric training. It's not about how long you can hold, it's about the quality of tension you create every second you hold these positions. You're teaching your muscles to fire together, building the neuromuscular control that makes every other exercise better. These aren't just exercises, they're building blocks, the foundation that everything else in fitness is built on. Start with these times, add 5 seconds each week, and watch your body transform, not through movement but through the power of perfect stillness. The beauty of isometrics is that failure is just feedback when you can't hold anymore. You found your current limit. Tomorrow, you'll push that limit just a little further. Consistency beats intensity every single time. If this helped you start your fitness journey, hit like. It tells us you want more beginner-friendly content. See you in the next one. Stay strong.